Sige. Okay, good. Great. So this is our unboxing in our lab.
From Mr. Deng.
Yeah, Mr. Deng. Don't have too much ceremony already. Just open it up. Okay. There. All right. Okay, the unboxing of the PLP Pendant Light Purifier. Wait, I will show you what's in the box. Okay,
Looks good.
looks good. Okay,
Looks good.
okay. Then maybe later, Rene, you can put it on our discussion table.
What's this? Oh, the extra cover.
Extra cover. All right. Wow, so slick, man. So slick.
And light. What's this one? Carbon.
Carbon filter. This one is for the other side. Okay. Wait. So now it looks good.
Clip it.
Yeah. All right. Bye. Now it's open.